In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send a mass email directly from your CRM using your existing data and templates in a way that's both efficient and organized. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho CRM and on the main dashboard. To start a mass email, you'll begin by choosing the module you want to work with. This is usually either the Leads module or the Contacts module, depending on who you want to reach. Click into that module so you can see the list of records you'd like to email. Once you're inside the right module, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Actions menu, which is represented by 3 dots. Click those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, choose the option labeled Mass Email. This opens up the Mass Email Setup window, where you'll configure everything for your campaign. In this window, click on Create Mass Email. This is where you'll define the content and the audience. The first key piece is your email template. Zoho CRM lets you use pre-built templates so that your emails are consistent and professional. Click on the template option, browse or search for the template you want to use, and then click Select. If you don't see the right one, you may want to pause and create or edit a template first in the Email Templates section of Zoho CRM, then come back to this screen. Next, you'll choose your recipients. Zoho gives you flexibility here. You can select a custom view, which is a saved filter of records, or you can specify criteria on the fly. For example, you might target only leads from a certain campaign or contacts in a specific region. Take a moment to ensure your view or criteria is accurate because this determines exactly who receives your email. After that, set your from and reply to addresses. Pick an address that your recipients will recognize and trust, and make sure the reply address is monitored so that any responses go to the right inbox. Now decide whether you want to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. Sending immediately is great for time-sensitive campaigns, while scheduling can help you hit an optimal time zone or business hour. Once you're happy with all your settings, do a quick review and then click Send. Zoho CRM will queue and send your mass email based on your selection, and you've successfully created an email campaign using mass email in Zoho CRM.